Hey, want to feed a family of 4 for under $10? We're about to do that. Oh, by the way, this is Ralph Man's Adventures. And if you do it the way we do it, you can save lots of money. We're going to have chicken spaghetti. We've got our own homegrown chicken. We've got a pound of ground. We've got zoodles, that is zucchini noodles, zucchinis that we have noodled up. We've got homemade spaghetti sauce that Susan canned, and we've got homemade bread with a little butter and garlic. So we've got about $6 counting feed in the chicken, a seed in this, and this all came from the garden for free. Susan made the bread, so we've got about 75 cents in it, so all for under $10. And we've got the Blackstone fired up. We're about to get cooking. If you find anything helpful, useful, or informative, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified each time we put out a video. But let's get cooking. I'm going to dispel a myth here real quick. Oftentimes people want to think that Susan does all the prep work and then I do the cooking. She does a lot of the prep work. I'll give you credit for that. But she's out of town working today. I'm trying to have her dinner prepared by the time she gets back. Maybe she'll appreciate it. But I did all the prep work on this. Well, I say that. She actually zoodled the noodles back about 6 or 7 months ago. She and I both ground the chicken together. And you know, she made the spaghetti sauce, but I put it all together tonight. So just wanted to let you know that. We're going to hit it with a little salt, pepper, and garlic. This is just Kinder's blend, and that's all it is, the salt, pepper, and garlic. And we'll keep tossing it. Look at that, it's almost done already. I'm going to go ahead and put the spaghetti sauce in a pan here on the Blackstone so it can be heating up. Homemade by Susan. All the ingredients came from our garden. So we're just going to let that heat up a little bit while the chicken is cooking. And then we will add the chicken to it in just a little bit. And we need to get the zucchini zoodles down so that they can be cooking up and drying out. We'll do that in just a moment. The chicken is cooking up real good. I've moved it over here to the side. Still has a little bit to go, but we're going to let that continue to cook just a little bit. Spaghetti sauce is doing well. This is zucchini zoodles. Susan had noodled up, and I will tell you, when you freeze it, it will have lots of water, moisture left in it. That's why we're going to do it on the Blackstone, is to cook some of the moisture out. Also, if you vacuum seal, it will suck a lot of the moisture out. This was just used in a freezer bag. So we got to cook this down. Sauce is getting hot, starting to bubble a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add the chicken to it, because the chicken is done. So we're just going to mix this in. And that will take care of our chicken spaghetti sauce. We still have the zoodles cooking, and then we've got some toast, homemade bread that Susan made. We're going to add that to the mix. I added a little butter and garlic powder to it, so it'll be nice and Italian-y, I guess you can say. And all of this is costing us less than $10. And with all this spaghetti sauce and zoodles, this would feed a family of 4. Tonight it's just me and Susan, but hey, we'll have leftovers for tomorrow. So nothing wrong with that, right? Homemade bread with some butter and garlic. We're going to get that done, toast it up, and then we will be ready to plate this. This side is off, but still boiling from all the residual heat. The zoodles are done. Let's take a look at the bread. Yeah, looks like it. Some of it is cooking up, so we'll pull those to the side. Maybe slide these over where it's a little warmer. As soon as that's done, we're bringing it off. Well, let's plate this up. We've got the zucchini zoodles. Oh, I'm making a little bit of a mess. There's a big plate. And some chicken spaghetti sauce. And then we will, excuse me, we're gonna fix this one up for Susan. Well, that looks pretty good. I'll get my plate and we'll give it a try. Now we'll plate up mine. Well, as you've heard me say before, the chef gets a little bit more. But it's not because I'm being mean to my wife, it's just because I eat more. But we're going to fix that up. Man, look at all that leftover right there. Get the toast. And we will be ready to go. I'm going to have to do something with all that leftover spaghetti sauce. Well, that's something for tomorrow. Let's give it this a try. That looks pretty good. And all for under $10. Added a little Parmesan. Well, I've got to go back on what I said earlier. I said I prepped everything for this meal. Except for the making of the spaghetti sauce, which Susan did, and the zoodling of the zoodles. But tonight, I prepared everything because she was out of town working, but I forgot the Parmesan cheese. So she grated the Parmesan cheese for us, and we're ready to give it a try. Looks pretty tasty. That's pretty good. Bread's good as well. So let me know what you think. Give me comments down below. And until next time, God bless.